Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech, and today I am going to be upgrading my front turn signal parking lamp bulbs to the new VLEDs Triton V6 Extremes. So if you remember the last video I did for my turn signal parking lamps, I upgraded to the V6 Tritons. Since then, VLEDs came out with an even brighter solution called the V6 Triton Extremes. And they are compatible with the base adapters that the original V6 Tritons use. So all I did was order the bulb itself, and I just reused the collar and the gasket here from the original V6 Triton bulb that I was using. It does come with this additional amber colored spacer right here. So this is really just a plug and play replacement. So all you do is just remove your parking lamp housing, and here's the original V6 Triton bulb. Just go ahead and unscrew this from the base adapter that's already here. Once you get that screwed off, then you just pull. That's it. Okay, so now we have the new V6 Triton Extreme amber bulb here. So I've already got it set up so it's compatible with the housing here for the DeLorean, and all you do is just plug it into the existing base adapter and reconnect it, and you're done. Okay, and it's that simple. So we'll do a comparison between the Extreme and the original V6 Tritons. I had wanted to try these out for a while, but they are fairly expensive. Black Friday, everything on VLED's website was 30% off, so I couldn't resist. So go ahead and make your connection. Make sure it's nice and tight in there. This actually fits really well in the DeLorean housing, so no problem there. Go ahead and reinsert. Again, I have another video on how to do this installation. It's a little bit more thorough than this one will be. However, I did want to show that it is easy to sort of retrofit the original base adapter for the VLEDs Triton V6 with the new V6 Extreme. You can contact VLEDs to order just the bulb itself to save yourself some money if you already have the V6 originals. So just reinstall the housing as usual. Now we are going to do a comparison between the Extremes and the original V6. So here's the comparison between the VLEDs Extreme. They're on the right, and over on the left you have the normal V6 Triton LEDs. So clearly the Extreme is a lot brighter, I think. At different angles you can kind of see the difference here. That's the Extreme. That's the normal. So for the V6 Triton Extremes, if you just buy the bulb itself, it comes like this pretty much. So it just comes with the bulb, the little cable connector, and then that extra spacer right there. And here we are with both of the signal lamp / parking lamps equipped with the new V6 Triton Extreme bulbs. So I haven't done a VLEDs video or an LED upgrade video since the Drayron taillight boards came out. I will be putting the V6 Triton Extremes in the taillights. In fact, I've ordered all the parts that I need. So I've got all the base adapters, I've got all the bulbs, and everything that I will need for a full V6 Triton Extreme LED setup for the DeLorean taillights. The other thing that I'm working on right now is combining that with the Drayron taillight boards. So I've just received my Drayron taillight boards in the mail today. So I'm going to go ahead and open those up. And ever since the Drayron taillight boards came out, I've been thinking of ways of how I can make it work with the V6 Triton Extremes. And I have come up with a way to do that. Which I've actually been working on that even before the Drayron boards came out. Came up with a way to utilize the V6 Tritons in the standard DeLorean taillight board setup. It's a way to do that, and hopefully if it's successful, I'll be demonstrating that in a future video. But when the Drayron taillight boards came out, I kind of put that on hold because I really like these, and I really want the Drayron taillight boards to work with the VLED Triton V6s, specifically the VLED Triton V6 Extremes that just came out and that are obviously quite a bit brighter than the standard. So what I did was I ordered the Drayron taillights without the LED bulbs, and I bought the V6 Triton Extremes with the correct base adapters. So for example, on the reds for Drayron taillight boards, you need to have the 1157 bulb, which was the dual filament in the original stock DeLorean setup. So right here, so here's our Drayron taillight board, and the three center bulbs, the three center sockets, these ones take the dual filament, so you can see the two connectors in each one of these, versus on the reverse and turn signal you've only got one connector inside there. The three in the middle take the 1157, and I bought 6 of these 1157 base adapters for the V6 Triton Extreme bulbs that I'm going to be using. So you can see that. So 1157s are going to work. So I'm kind of glad I held off on these V6 Tritons, because I didn't know that Drayron was going to offer the solution with the 1157 base adapters. Obviously I could have just bought new base adapters, but I think these are like $10 each, so you know, didn't want to have to waste money on 1156s when I didn't need it. The other cool thing about these V6 LED base adapters are that for this is the 1156, you can actually convert your 1156 to have a parking lamp feature, so it'll be very similar in behavior to the 1157 bulb. It's got an extra wire that you can connect to the base adapter, and that allows you to use your 1156 bulb as an 1157 as long as you wire it into your parking lamp circuit. So I thought that was a kind of a cool feature. Maybe we'll use it, maybe we won't. Didn't cost anything extra to order this type of base adapter for that. But where that would work here on the Drayron setup is for the amber, okay? So for the amber side, you could theoretically use that as an additional parking lamp for the DeLorean. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but hey, why not give it a shot, right? So anyway, coming soon, VLEDs Triton V6 Extremes meet the Drayron taillight sequencers for the DeLorean. That's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this sort of preview of the V6 Triton Extremes in the DeLorean. I think it's going to be really cool to have them in the taillights as well. And once again, thanks for watching.